Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen game, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 20 Amazon kitchen products that'll make your life easier, your cooking faster, and your meals more delicious. Let's dive straight into the
With an
list.
indoor pizza oven that bakes 12-inch pizzas in mere minutes. Engineered for versatility, it achieves temperatures ranging from 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, guaranteeing a crispy crust and perfectly melted cheese for a variety of styles, including Neapolitan, deep dish, and New York. With a spacious viewing window and a built-in cooking guide, keeping an eye on your culinary masterpieces has never been easier. The Bistro Electric Milk Frother is a fantastic addition to any coffee lover's kitchen, offering cafe-quality froth with ease. It has a sleek and compact design that fits nicely on the countertop without taking up too much space. It's user-friendly, with a single-button operation and an auto shut-off feature for safety. The frother heats and froths milk quickly, creating a creamy, rich foam perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or even hot chocolate. The non-stick interior and detachable whisk make it easy to clean, while the handle provides a sturdy grip for pouring. Its simplicity, combined with high performance, makes the Bistro Electric Milk Frother a must-have for anyone who enjoys barista-style drinks at home. The electric wine set offers an innovative way to enjoy your favorite beverages effortlessly. With a single charge, you can uncork up to 50 bottles in a row. Simply attach it to the bottleneck, and with a push of a button, the corkscrew descends to do the work for you. Press the button again and it smoothly retracts, pulling the cork out with ease. This set also includes an airtight stopper and a convenient wine pourer, making it the perfect companion for any wine lover. This innovative spiral vegetable carver allows you to effortlessly turn your fruits and vegetables into delightful macaroni shapes. Just insert the tool into your chosen produce and give it a gentle twist. Once you reach the end, simply pull out the knife to unveil your beautifully shaped fruit macaroni. While it's perfect for adding a creative touch to your dishes, be mindful that it may leave behind some waste, so be sure to scoop out any remaining bits for maximum enjoyment. This innovative toaster comes equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen, allowing you to customize the toasting process for different types of bread, including bagels and waffles. It heats up rapidly, ensuring that the outside gets perfectly toasted while keeping the inside moist. With 3 distinct toasting modes and 7 adjustable shade levels, it effortlessly handles both fresh and frozen items. Plus, it features a dedicated panini mode, making it ideal for crafting delicious sandwiches. This exceptional knife block set is a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. It features a magnetic block along with 5 precision-engineered knives, each tailored for specific culinary tasks. The collection includes a versatile chef knife, a santoku knife, a carving knife, a utility knife, and a paring knife, all expertly crafted from robust Damascus steel. The magnetic block, made from beautiful natural acacia wood, not only provides secure storage, but also allows for quick and easy access to your knives. Each knife is designed with a 15-degree sharpening angle, ensuring long-lasting sharpness, and boasts an ergonomic handle for maximum comfort during use. Elevate your cooking experience with this stunning and functional knife set. Innovative stirrer effortlessly handles the task of stirring your food while it cooks. It easily attaches to your pot, keeping everything in motion to prevent sticking or burning. With 2 adjustable speeds, it accommodates various pot sizes. The standout feature is its cordless and rechargeable design, which removes the hassle of tangled wires. Discover the ultimate solution for serving your cakes with our stainless steel cake knife slicer and cutter server. This innovative cake server is designed to keep your cake perfectly upright and intact during serving, ensuring that each layer remains beautifully in place. Its adjustable feature allows you to cut pieces of various sizes, making it the perfect tool for all your cakes and desserts. Elevate your dessert experience today. The Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer is a reliable and versatile kitchen tool, featuring a sleek design and durable stainless steel construction. Its powerful double vacuum pump ensures strong suction, providing effective sealing for a variety of food types. Its easy lock handle is one of the key highlights, providing convenience by allowing users to quickly and securely lock the lid in place with minimal effort. This feature makes operations simple and ensures a tight seal every time. The user-friendly control panel offers customizable settings, including modes for dry, moist, and delicate foods, making it suitable for different preservation needs. With adjustable vacuum pressure and a double sealing option for extra security, the VS12 is ideal for extending the shelf life of perishables, making it a solid choice for home food storage. This innovative kitchen knife holder features a robust magnetic bar paired with a sleek design, making it both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Its strong magnetic surface securely accommodates even the largest knives, providing safety and effortless access. With its extended length, it can store more knives than conventional blocks, fitting seamlessly into various kitchen spaces. Additionally, it offers versatility for holding scissors, tools, keys, and more. Installation is simple thanks to the included mounting hardware and instructions, allowing you to organize your kitchen quickly and efficiently. The Fruit Wine Press is a robust and efficient tool, perfect for those who enjoy making fresh juice or wine at home. Built with a durable T-pattern thread, it ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance. The press features a sturdy base with fixing holes, allowing you to securely mount it for stability during use. One of its standout features is the convenient dual-barrel system, with an outer food-grade stainless steel barrel and an inner barrel designed specifically for dense fruit mash, ensuring better juice penetration. It comes with a nylon filter bag, which is detachable for thorough cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. This press is versatile and ideal for juicing a variety of fruits, from apples to grapes, delivering high yields with ease. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design make the Fruit Wine Press a must-have for anyone who loves fresh homemade juice. This innovative electric composter transforms your kitchen waste into nutrient-rich compost in just 6 hours, utilizing advanced high-temperature drying and milling methods. By reducing food waste volume by an impressive 90%, it not only saves space but also lowers your disposal expenses. With a compact 3-liter capacity, it seamlessly fits on your countertop without taking up much space. Plus, it operates quietly and features an odor-absorbing filter to ensure a fresh environment in your kitchen. Have you ever thought about how to bring a bit of elegance to your kitchen? This charming butter dish made from high-quality ceramic is the perfect solution. It boasts a beautifully crafted acacia wood lid that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also features a convenient groove to hold the included butter knife. Plus, the lid is designed with a silicone covering underneath, ensuring an airtight seal to keep your butter fresh and delicious. The Mug Ice Cream Maker offers an exciting and convenient way to create individual portions of ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt right in your kitchen. Simply freeze the base, add your chosen ingredients, and press the button. Your delicious treat will be ready in just 20 minutes. Personalize your dessert with your favorite mix-ins using the handy built-in ingredient chute. One of the greatest advantages is that it doubles as a mug, allowing you to enjoy your creation right from its original vessel. Ideal for compact kitchens, all the accessories fit neatly inside the mug for easy storage. This stainless steel lemon squeezer is perfect for anyone seeking to extract maximum juice with minimal effort. Its robust construction guarantees exceptional durability, while the specially designed groove bowl enhances juice extraction, making it ideal for lemons, limes, and other citrus fruits. Cleaning is a breeze, as it is dishwasher safe, and the integrated strainer effectively catches seeds and pulp. This tool streamlines the process of preparing fresh juice, making it an essential addition to any kitchen or cocktail bar. It not only saves you time, but also conserves valuable space. The Balmuda. The toaster is a game changer in the world of toasting, thanks to its revolutionary technology that combines steam with precise temperature control. All it needs is 5 cubic centimeters of water, and the steam gently envelops the bread, perfectly toasting the surface while keeping the inner moisture and flavor intact. This results in a beautifully crisp outside with a soft, fluffy interior, a superb contrast of flavor and texture that regular toasters simply can't achieve. It offers 4 distinct modes for different types of bread: sandwich bread mode, artisan bread mode, pizza mode, and pastry mode, each tailored to bring out the best in your bread. Additionally, the oven mode expands its versatility, allowing you to heat or bake a variety of foods. The precise temperature regulation throughout the toasting process ensures consistently excellent results, making Balmuda the toaster a must-have for those who appreciate top-quality toast and bakery-level precision at home. If you require hot water in an instant, this dispenser is the perfect answer. It heats and dispenses water in a mere second, allowing you to save precious time. With 5 temperature settings and 4 volume options, you can effortlessly tailor it for tea, coffee, or baby formula. The generous 100-ounce tank minimizes the need for constant refills, ensuring convenience and energy efficiency. Transform your breakfast and dessert experience with this innovative mini waffle bowl maker. In mere minutes, you can whip up delicious waffle bowls or crispy tortillas, perfect for both sweet and savory fillings. Its compact and lightweight design makes it a fantastic choice for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or RVs. Plus, the non-stick surfaces ensure effortless cleanup, allowing you to indulge in delightful treats without any fuss. This versatile device effortlessly opens cans and sharpens Ren's knives, making it an essential addition to your kitchen. With its robust motor and stainless steel blade, it handles cans of all sizes with remarkable ease thanks to the convenient one-touch automatic feature. Say goodbye to the frustration of stubborn lids and enjoy the added benefit of cord storage that keeps your countertop organized. Plus, the removable cutting lever ensures that cleaning is a breeze. Revamp your coffee experience with this innovative coffee and espresso blend that utilizes patented 3-in-1 brew technology. This remarkable device combines agitation and pressure to deliver rich, smooth flavors without any bitterness. Its compact and lightweight design makes it the perfect travel companion, allowing you to savor barista-quality coffee wherever you go. With effortless cleanup and a robust construction, it's an exceptional gift for any coffee lover.